Hi everybody, this is Mark. Today I've got an easy repair for you. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the DVD CD drive in this HP 15-inch laptop computer. So what I'm going to be using for this job basically is simple, just this micro tip Phillips head screwdriver, and then also the new part, the new DVD drive that I ordered off of eBay for $11. So it just pops in there, but I pulled the old drive out after doing some figuring out that it did not work, and found the part number on it and just plugged that in to Google and bought the part off of eBay for $11. So it's cheap enough to where I could do the repair on it, even though I don't really use the DVD CD drive that much anymore, but it's cheap enough to where I just go ahead and replace it for $11. Why not? So again, let's get started. So as you can see, the CD DVD drive does not show up here on the computer when you open up this PC, and that's obviously a problem. Tried plugging in a CD and it did not show up in there either as well, and actually took the extra step of taking that DVD drive out of the computer and then plugging it up with this SATA drive cable, and it's got a USB on one side and the SATA connector on the other. You can take that CD drive out, plug it in here, and then plug this USB into my desktop computer, and again the drive didn't work there either, so that just helped me confirm that this thing did not work and it was dead. Okay, so I've got the laptop shut off and closed, and really all I got to do this repair is flip this laptop over where the bottom is exposed, and all you really have to do this is unscrew this one Phillips head screwdriver, or Phillips head screw right here. So I've got the screwdriver in. Simply unscrew it, take the screw out, put it where I won't lose it, and then just grab the very tip of this little bezel here on the outside of the drive and pop it out. And it just slides right out. Now in some cases, if you bought a new drive and it didn't have this bezel on it, and the new drive didn't have this piece, which is actually connects to this screw, you might have to unscrew this as well and then put this piece back on the new drive, and also take this bezel off and put that on the new drive. But fortunately, this replacement drive I ordered on eBay has the correct bezel color, and it has this little attachment piece as well. So simple enough. All I'm going to do is take this, again with the sticker showing up here, pop it back into that bay. Screw pops in right here, and then we will simply tighten that, and we should be good to go. Okay, so as you can see, I've turned the laptop back on, and this drive is now showing up here when I go to this PC and open that up in Windows 10. So what we're actually going to do here is reach around, press this button to open it, drive. And we'll take a, hopefully you're a ZZ Top fan. We'll take a CD, pop it in here just to make sure it works. Close the drawer. And there we have it. It works. ZZ Top. Okay, well thank you for watching this repair video. Hopefully it will help you if you have an issue and want to replace the CD DVD drive on a similar HP laptop. I will post the drive part number and the laptop part number on the website as well, or on my channel, as I should say, as well. And thanks once more to my daughter for helping film all this and get it all together and doing the editing for me. So appreciate it. And again, hopefully this was of help, and see you next time.